Welcome back. So today I'm here to show you guys, I'm gonna be customizing another RPG hair wig, and today it's going to be a short one. This is the wig. It's really short. The hair texture is so silky. This is the 8 inches pixie cut silky straight bob hairstyle. It's 130% in density. It's a lace front wig, and the code is BOB22EP. This is 100% Indian hair. It's a natural color, as you guys can see. It is a medium cap size that I got, and yeah, the lace color is brown. It's the improved lace, by the way. Definitely is. So it's very realistic looking. First time I'm getting a wig this, well, not the first time I'm getting a wig this late. Remember in the summertime I had got a curly one, and that was a life. Like, a lot of people love that. So today this is the straight one. I actually suggested to them that, you know, they should get the straight one, and here it is. But I'm gonna have to do some customizing to this where the cut is concerned. You know, probably going to have to put some more layers in it. And just like the previous wig, I'm not gonna do too much plucking on this. This hair feels so good. I have to get the hair wet so that it's easier to cut. So I just have this spray bottle with water. So I'm kind of just eyeballing it. So guys, I'm really eyeballing this. You see me, you think I'm not a pro at this thing, especially not this cutting thing. I'm just trying to see if I can layer. Oh, but that doesn't look bad. You know, those natural looking cuts, like not too forced. That's kind of what I'm looking for. This is how it's looking so far. Boy, man, this not look bad. I hope it looks the same way when I put it on my head. Honestly, I'm really just eyeballing this. So it's on my head, and now it really latches onto my neck back, and I love that about it. So when I lift it, it won't, like, you know, stick out and look like weird and fake. So I love that about the back. This wig is absolutely stunning. I didn't know I could manage to pull off the cut looking so natural. I'm really excited about it. Like, so excited. I need to fix this parting here. So, oh my gosh, look how it lays. Oh my, let me show you guys the back. Especially if you can't deal with like a lot of hair. Look at how natural that looks. I am so pleased. So that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it for me and this wig. This wig is so convenient. I went on the road. This is hours later actually. I went on the road and back. I did my makeup really simple, nothing extra at all. This is how it's looking. It's really flowy. It's just easy to just work with. It's just, oh my gosh, so neat. It looks very realistic. In the past I got like one wig that I customized and cut it down myself, but this came short already. It's just that I had to go around and do a little bit of trimming as you saw in the previous clips, but it's really nice. I didn't like do too much plucking. Like, it looks so good. I really love this. It's really good. Right now I'm just about to go out for drinks, but you know, I'm really excited to wear this out. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put the link to this wig down below in the description box, so you guys can go ahead and check it out if you're interested in purchasing, and use my discount codes SUE15 and Petite10. Yeah, that's pretty much it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.